Stiff, heavily padded suit jackets are actively destroying your mature aesthetic. They create a rigid, boxy silhouette that makes you look like an outdated corporate drone instead of a sophisticated gentleman. True sartorial power in spring 2026 demands a radical shift towards soft tailoring. Welcome to the ultimate masterclass on the unstructured blazer. Today, we decode the Neapolitan shoulder, explore luxurious unlined fabrics, and reveal how to project effortless, old-money confidence without sacrificing an ounce of comfort. Stop hiding behind artificial padding and embrace a natural drape. To master your modern wardrobe, please subscribe to our 40-plus style guide. 1. The spalla camicia shoulder mastery. The hallmark of a truly sophisticated unstructured blazer is the Neapolitan shirt shoulder, known as the spalla camicia. Traditional stiff padding creates a rigid, boxy silhouette that immediately ages a mature man. By eliminating the shoulder pad entirely, the sleeve head follows your natural anatomy, providing a relaxed, sloping profile that radiates quiet luxury. This spring, invest in an unlined worsted wool blazer in classic navy. The fine worsted yarn offers a clean, matte drape that falls elegantly without artificial support. Pair this magnificent piece with light olive cotton chinos to strike the perfect balance between formal tailoring and casual spring leisure. This approach guarantees you project an aura of effortless, aristocratic confidence, proving that true sartorial power lies in supreme comfort and masterful construction. 2. Integrating elegant patch pockets. To successfully transition away from formal corporate suits, you must embrace patch pockets on your spring tailoring. Standard flap pockets look incredibly rigid on an unlined jacket. A camel cotton cashmere blend blazer featuring dual patch pockets instantly signals an old money, weekend aesthetic. The exposed stitching of the pockets adds a subtle, artisanal texture that breaks up the flat surface of the garment perfectly. The incredibly soft cotton cashmere fabric molds to your torso, feeling more like a luxurious cardigan than a restrictive coat. Ground this warm, inviting blazer with impeccably tailored charcoal flannel trousers. This brilliant combination masterfully bridges the gap between relaxed leisure wear and commanding menswear, ensuring you remain impeccably dressed and profoundly comfortable during upscale daytime events this entire spring season. 3. The breathability of half-lined jackets. A fully lined jacket acts as a suffocating trap during warmer spring afternoons, causing immense discomfort. The sophisticated alternative is a half-lined construction, commonly known as a buggy lining. This technique covers only the upper shoulders, leaving the lower back completely exposed to maximize airflow while maintaining essential structural integrity. Choose a rich forest green high-twist wool blazer featuring this advanced tailoring method. High-twist wool creates a highly porous, resilient fabric that actively resists creasing while allowing the breeze to pass through effortlessly. Contrast this deeply masculine top layer with crisp cream gabardine trousers. The smooth, sharp finish of the trousers brilliantly offsets the matte, open weave of the green blazer. This ensemble guarantees absolute thermal comfort and an undeniably elite, worldly appearance. 4. Soft tailoring over fine knitwear. Wearing a stiff collared shirt under an unstructured jacket can sometimes feel too conventional. To project a modern, affluent aesthetic this spring, replace the traditional dress shirt with a luxurious lightweight knit. An unlined burgundy merino wool blazer is an absolute triumph when layered over a simple, fine-gauge stone gray crewneck sweater. The complete absence of internal canvas in the blazer allows it to embrace the soft sweater underneath, creating a seamless, highly cohesive upper silhouette. Anchor this rich, textured combination with matching stone gray tailored chinos to elongate your frame beautifully. This sophisticated, tonal approach completely redefines mature casual wear. You effortlessly command attention through subtle textural layers and relaxed tailoring, leaving outdated, rigid corporate styling far behind you this season. 5. The classic 3-roll 2 lapel. The lapel roll is a crucial indicator of high-end soft tailoring. Cheap jackets feature a sharp, artificially pressed lapel line. A masterfully crafted unstructured jacket utilizes the classic 3-roll-2 configuration. This design features 3 buttons, but the lapel gently rolls past the top button, designed to only fasten the middle one. This creates a beautifully sweeping, 3-dimensional curve that exudes bespoke craftsmanship. Embrace this detail with a lightweight oatmeal tweed blazer. Spring tweed utilizes looser yarns, offering gorgeous rustic texture without the heavy winter heat. Pair this dynamic blazer with sharp navy twill trousers. The structural contrast between the soft, rolling lapel and the crisp, dark trousers produces a flawless spring aesthetic. You will project immense sartorial wisdom and unyielding mature elegance. 6. Discovering the wool linen blend. Navigating spring weather requires fabrics that blend luxury with absolute functionality. Pure linen wrinkles aggressively, while pure wool can feel too formal. The ultimate solution for an unstructured jacket is a premium wool linen blend. This sophisticated combination borrows the crisp breathability of linen and the robust, wrinkle-resistant drape of fine wool. A dusty blue wool linen blend blazer offers incredible surface character while maintaining a perfectly clean silhouette all afternoon. It is the definitive old money travel garment. Combine this magnificent jacket with sand-heavy cotton canvas trousers. The rugged durability of the canvas perfectly anchors the elegant, airy texture of the blazer above. This calculated textural pairing ensures you look impeccably curated, relaxed, and incredibly affluent during any sophisticated outdoor social gathering. 7. The unstructured double-breasted approach. Double-breasted jackets are traditionally associated with rigid boardroom power suits. However, removing the heavy internal canvas completely transforms this iconic garment into a masterpiece of relaxed elegance. An unstructured, earthy taupe double-breasted cotton twill blazer is a phenomenal spring statement. The overlapping fabric provides a flattering, waist-suppressing wrap effect, while the soft, unpadded shoulders prevent it from looking aggressively formal. It feels incredibly romantic and deeply rooted in classic Riviera style. To maximize this sophisticated aesthetic, pair the taupe jacket with tailored off-white gabardine trousers. Leaving the jacket unbuttoned creates a magnificent, sweeping drape that completely revolutionizes mature casual wear. This outfit projects absolute confidence, proving you possess the advanced sartorial knowledge required to wear complex tailoring with effortless, graceful ease. 8. The luxury of brushed cotton tailoring. Smooth, shiny worsted suits look entirely out of place in relaxed spring environments. To achieve a highly approachable, yet immaculately polished aesthetic, you must explore brushed cotton tailoring. A rust-brown brushed cotton blazer undergoes a delicate finishing process that raises the surface fibers, creating a remarkably soft, matte texture resembling fine moleskin. Because it lacks rigid internal padding, the soft fabric molds perfectly to your upper body, offering unparalleled comfort. Contrast this plush, warm jacket with dark slate worsted trousers. The hard, sleek finish of the worsted wool provides a formal anchor that instantly elevates the relaxed nature of the brushed cotton. This is a brilliant textural maneuver that guarantees a commanding, highly sophisticated presence for older gentlemen exploring spring styling today. 9. Mastering the denim and blazer pairing. Combining tailoring with denim is a treacherous styling move for older men, often resulting in a severely disjointed look. The secret to mastering this combination lies entirely in the blazer's construction. A stiff, heavily padded jacket worn with jeans looks utterly ridiculous. You must use an unlined, soft-shouldered olive green hopsack wool blazer. Hopsack features a coarse, basket-like weave that perfectly matches the rugged, utilitarian nature of denim. Pair this phenomenal blazer with dark wash, clean-cut indigo denim jeans. The soft drape of the unlined hopsack bridges the gap between formal wear and casual utility seamlessly. This combination radiates quiet authority and rugged masculine elegance, ensuring you look worldly, affluent, and perfectly dressed for premium weekend dining or afternoon gallery visits. 10. The modern heavy jersey hybrid. The modern landscape of luxury menswear is constantly evolving, blending comfort with traditional tailoring. The absolute pinnacle of this movement is the unstructured heavy jersey blazer. Knitted like a premium sweater but cut like a classic sport coat, a navy blue heavy jersey cotton blazer offers phenomenal stretch and dynamic movement. It possesses zero padding, allowing it to function as a highly elevated cardigan while retaining the authoritative lapels of a jacket. Contrast this incredibly relaxed, flexible top piece with sharply tailored khaki drill cotton trousers. The dense, rigid nature of the drill cotton perfectly anchors the flowing, elastic drape of the jersey blazer. You achieve an incredibly sharp, perfectly balanced silhouette that prioritizes supreme physical comfort without ever sacrificing mature elegance. (11) Elevating the minimalist base layer. Wearing an unstructured jacket over a simple base layer requires absolute precision in fabric selection. A standard cotton t-shirt will instantly degrade the entire outfit. To maintain a quiet luxury aesthetic, pair a warm gray unlined woven bamboo blend blazer with a premium, finely knit dark charcoal polo shirt. The bamboo blend offers an exceptionally soft, matte finish that drapes beautifully without any stiff canvas support. The dark polo underneath provides crucial depth and frames the face elegantly. Ground this sophisticated upper half with dark brown cavalry twill trousers. The prominent diagonal ridges of the cavalry twill introduce a powerful, masculine texture that prevents the outfit from looking flat. This incredibly sleek, modern combination guarantees you command respect with subtle, minimalist authority. (12) The art of the Barchetta pocket. The most exquisite detail found on a high-end unstructured blazer is the Barchetta breast pocket. Translated to little boat, this pocket is gently curved upwards, mimicking the shape of a classic Italian skiff. This subtle, artisanal curve naturally follows the curvature of a mature chest, completely breaking the rigid, straight lines of cheap machine-made garments. Showcase this beautiful detail with a khaki tan lightweight worsted wool blazer. The clean, unpadded shoulder allows the curved pocket to become the undeniable focal point of your chest. Pair this distinguished jacket with midnight blue poplin trousers. This sharp, high-contrast combination effortlessly projects worldly sophistication, demonstrating your profound understanding of bespoke tailoring nuances that separate true gentlemen from the utterly uninspired masses walking the streets today. (13) Utilizing the soft roll flannel. While flannel is traditionally a winter textile, lightweight spring flannel offers an incredible drape for unlined tailoring. A deep plum spring-weight worsted flannel blazer provides a stunning, matte finish that absorbs light beautifully. Without internal canvas, the flannel rolls softly over the chest, creating a deeply romantic, vintage silhouette that flatters the mature male form immensely. The rich plum tone injects a bold, sophisticated touch of color into your seasonal wardrobe. Balance this luxurious, soft-tailored piece with light gray hopsack trousers. The highly textured, open weave of the hopsack acts as a phenomenal counterpoint to the smooth, brushed finish of the flannel above. This breathtaking textural harmony guarantees you stand out as a master of advanced, old-money-style combinations this entire spring. (14) Demanding matte horn buttons. When you remove the structural padding from a jacket, every remaining detail becomes exponentially more visible. Cheap, shiny plastic buttons will instantly destroy the refined aesthetic of an unstructured blazer. You must insist on genuine matte horn buttons. A slate blue unlined peak cotton blazer elevated with dark brown horn buttons screams absolute luxury. The organic, varied texture of the horn perfectly complements the relaxed, breathable honeycomb weave of the peak cotton. Anchor this magnificent jacket with beige Bedford cord trousers. The subtle vertical ridges of the Bedford cord provide excellent visual elongation for your legs. This incredibly cohesive, detail-oriented outfit ensures you project an image of uncompromising quality and deeply ingrained affluent taste during any springtime social endeavor this season. (15) Achieving the perfect sleeve pitch. The ultimate test of a masterfully tailored unstructured blazer is the sleeve pitch. Because there are no shoulder pads to force the sleeve downward, the armhole must be cut high, and the sleeve must be pitched forward to perfectly match the natural resting angle of your arm. A chocolate brown open-weave fresco wool blazer cut with a flawless sleeve pitch provides an incredibly clean, wrinkle-free drape down the arm while you lean casually. This allows for immense freedom of movement without looking sloppy. Contrast this dark, airy jacket with light khaki cotton sateen trousers. The smooth, matte finish of the sateen flawlessly supports the highly textured fresco wool above. You conclude the spring season looking phenomenally tailored and effortlessly dominant everywhere. Mastering the unstructured blazer is the definitive mark of a highly refined, mature gentleman. As we have explored today, stripping away the rigid canvas and artificial padding completely revolutionizes your warm-weather silhouette. By embracing the elegant spalla camicia shoulder, utilizing breathable half-lined constructions, and demanding premium horn buttons, you project an aura of established wealth and absolute worldly comfort. Ditch those stiff corporate uniforms that age you terribly, and step into the luxurious realm of authentic soft tailoring this season. To continuously elevate your everyday masculine elegance, please ensure you subscribe to our 40+ style guide.